I am here with the 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4, and this Sierra just happens to come with GMC's MultiPro Tailgate, which is just a little more interesting, more special than a normal tailgate. First off, you can open the tailgate with the key fob. Now, unlike the Chevy Silverado, you can't raise the tailgate back up with the key fob, but it's not that heavy that you can't do it yourself. The other thing with this truck and this tailgate specifically is we got two buttons here. Bottom button lowers the tailgate just like you saw earlier, normal. Top button lowers this section of the tailgate. Now, this specific part of the tailgate they call the Workstation. I don't know too many people who work out of the back of their pickup truck, but I'm sure there are some people. And so you could throw your laptop up here and it's just great height, kind of like a standing desk. The other thing you can do is lift up the back, and this will prevent anything like sheets of plywood or 2x4s from falling out of the back of the tailgate. Next, what you can do, let's press that bottom button again, lift the same thing up here, and now you've got somewhat of a bed extender. That way you can have the tailgate open and still have a stopping point for stuff in the back so it doesn't roll out. Hit that top button yet again, and now we have a step. This step is rated for 375 pounds. I wish it was rated for a bit more. Pickup trucks, you're usually climbing up, carrying stuff. So a little bit more of a weight rating there would be nice. We also have a USB and an aux input here, as well as power and the volume and seek buttons there, so you can plug in some music. We got speakers here and here. Close the step up, and you also have a way to reach further into the bed than you would if you just had the tailgate open. So here, limited range, press that button, and you got a little bit more of a reach. One thing I don't like is you have to open things in a specific way. So I just opened this and I want to open the bottom part now, and it's not letting me, which is a little bit frustrating. So you actually have to close it, do this part first and then this part. It does take some finagling. It doesn't take long to figure it out, but it's not intuitive right away. The other thing is when everything is open just like this, it's a little weird closing things up. So if I just want to close the step, it seems like the tailgate itself wants to close, and if I want to close everything, it's a little awkward. But I think that's just what comes with having that extra utility. So yeah, that's the MultiPro Tailgate on the 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4.